Okay, we're at Ocean Gardens, and this is Taipa Pequeño, I believe. Kind of a rainy day right here. We're just gonna walk straight down into that way and into the Ocean Gardens itself, starting from this back parking lot area. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, it's actually kind of cool because you can see like kind of like waterfall stuff. So whenever it rains, like water comes off of the mountain and drips down off of that thing. But this is all like constructed in that way of that. I don't know what that's called, but that I saw it a lot in Japan and Hong Kong and Macau too. But they'll build like a fake wall like that so it doesn't fall. But then there's real rocks up there. So, but anyways, the water will, especially if it starts raining a lot, the water will just like kind of come down like with little waterfalls, and it goes into that little thing right here, into this thing, and drains out. Actually, I thought it was raining more. I felt like it was raining when I was there. Now that I'm out in things, I don't feel that now. It's weird. Actually, the ground looks dry, but back there it was like, I thought it was raining. So maybe it's just coming off the mountains, I guess. So this is Ocean Gardens. There's kind of want to walk down that way because I usually don't walk that way very often. Please do not park your car on the driveway. Yeah, there's the driveway right here. So they got to get back in there. There's somebody coming off of them. Okay. So this right here is kind of the main central part, called Plaza, Ocean Plaza, Plaza Oceano. Over there is Circle K. So there's kind of a nice little drinking spot. There's some pretty cool group of guys that live around this area, and they'll drink in front of the Circle K right over there. There's a couple of chairs. They got 2 tables over there. Not chairs, all tables. 2 trash cans so they can throw their beer bottles and things like that. So that's kind of a nice little spot right there. Plaza Oceano Plaza right there. And a lot of foreigners and expats live in this area. And this one right here connects Ocean Plaza with all these apartments over here. So what we're gonna do is walk down this way a little bit. Show you a little bit more of Ocean Gardens. I've been here a few times, and today's going to be another one of those days to check it all out. I'm going to look for this one particular one because there's a poster who's very interested in Ocean Gardens. I believe it's Ryan Cardno. Hope I have that right, but I'm pretty sure it's him. But there's one over there that he's interested in. I looked it up before. So we're gonna try to find the one that he's interested in particular. All these buildings have names for them. They're like Rose Tower, I guess. I don't know if it's a Rose Tower or not, but they have different names like that. And they're all kind of like self-enclosed. There's like a parking garage for each one. So I've always thought it's a little bit unfortunate because this should be something a little bit cooler. This is Avenida dos Jardins de Oceano, if anybody's curious. But I kind of wish, you know, instead they have all this, the ground floor is just basically like parking garages, right? But it'd be kind of cool if they had like a nice commercial area. Poplar building. But yeah, all the ground floor is just parking garage stuff, so just come on out, and they're all attached to their buildings. So it's kind of a little bit boring when you're on a camera because it's kind of wish I would have ran across the street over there now too. The only way to get up now is to go up and over like that. But there's some stuff up here that might be interesting too, so. Yeah, because there's something like Ocean Gardens basically has this big thoroughfare that goes through, but if you're living in Macau, if you live here, of course you're gonna come over here because you live here. But if you don't live here, there's not a lot of incentive because there's not much commercial, so like just walking around it has this kind of empty feeling. But of course if you live here, it's fine because then you just walk down and get to the stone grill and whatever you're looking for. Alright, we're gonna keep on walking down. Kind of close to the waterfront, so I might just walk all the way down to the waterfront. Friend Cook. The Friend Cook restaurant. Friend Cook. Friend Cook. Friendly Cook? Friend Cook? There's the school right there. Puva Middle School. So yeah, I guess this is going to turn into, there's a Friend Cook restaurant. Oh, you can park for 2 hours for free around the Friend Cook restaurant. I guess that implies you have to eat at the Friend Cook restaurant too. I have ate there before. I don't remember the food being good or bad. I just remember eating there and it must have been fine. So I have no negative opinion whatsoever. But I didn't go back again, so it must not have been like, yeah, I gotta get back here quick. Should go back there again. I think it'd be good. Grilling is a lifestyle, so this one is pizza place. I don't know. It's like pizza pictures and it says like gas. I don't know. And the waterfront is right over there, so I don't know if there's a way to get over there or not. The Peach Building. So Peach Court, so all these, that's kind of what the Ocean Gardens looks like there. I always have like a Peach Court, 1991, so okay, that's exactly 30 years ago now. So these came up 30 years ago. That might be one too. It's like the same structure. And all those are those, and then they kind of go along the waterfront. I don't know how easy it would be to get to the waterfront from here. I don't see any way to get across. Yeah, actually that's one of the catches in this area. It's not really pedestrian friendly. I think we'd have to go around somehow or try to run illegally across that to get to the waterfront. But that's the waterfront over there anyways. And this is Ocean Gardens. Avenida dos Jardins do Oceano. So, okay, get a little touch of it. I wish I could get across the street over there or even over there, but it looks like it's not really possible. This guy might try to do it though. Let's see if he does. Yeah, he is, so let's see. He's gonna run across. Oh, there's a little spot right there, so he's gonna go across there. Let's just see. I guess we'll try to do that way. So you go across like that, and then you go up. Okay, let's see how you do that now. So okay, so that's how you do it. Okay. So now we're at now we're kind of closer to that waterfront area, so we're gonna take it. And I guess this Ocean Gardens is all the kick-sang group. And now we have a regular crosswalk that we can take as well, so that's good. Try to get across here. Kind of watch for this traffic a little bit. I think we can try to take it, but they're supposed to stop for us, but we'll see if they do or not. He may or may not. Okay, good. Did. They're supposed to stop for pedestrians, but they don't always stop, so you're not always so sure. Let's try to see this one here. They're going pretty fast along here, so he's gonna stop. He's not gonna stop. He's gonna stop so we can get across. Okay, good. Yeah, actually that one that didn't go, they didn't stop. I could technically, I think they could lose your driver's license if you don't stop for pedestrians. Probably if you hit them, it would be, of course, much worse. But I think I read that if you're driving a car and pedestrians in a crosswalk, then you have to legally stop, or you could have a pretty big penalty to pay. So anyways, this is the waterfront for Ocean Gardens, and that's all the China side, Zhuhai China side, all of that. So they're doing like a financial district over there, and then over here is all the Macau side, Macau Tower, Pena Hill, casinos such as MGM, and this right here is called Zone B, I think, Zone B or C or Zone D. There's all these different names. So they're building a bunch of apartment buildings right here. So all this is going to block this beautiful waterfront where people run and jog. So so when this is realized, you won't have this view anymore. The view would be gone. But for now, we got the view. I don't know what they're gonna do with the park. I don't know, hopefully it looks cool. If they build something really cool right there, like lots of neon lights or something, maybe it'd be interesting. It depends on how they build it. But anyways, that's right in front of Ocean Gardens as well. And that's Ocean Gardens right there. So, okay. A little jogging area. I've drank beer here before with some friends. Okay. It's in there right there. Chiquinha,